Hello there, Fourth and Cardinal family. I'm Mr. Tuten. I am the 8th and ninth grade social studies teacher this year. This is my second year in the district and my, I believe, 16th year teaching overall. And I'm excited to be back again this year, teaching all of the Fourth and Cardinal 8th and ninth grade students. In 8th grade this year, students are going to be focused on U.S. history, primarily from the Civil War time period to the early 1900s, right up to about World War I. In ninth grade, students are going to be focused on world history, so we get to go more broad than just the United States. And we have emphasis on world geography as well. In fact, that's where we're starting the year. We will be using Google Classroom quite a bit this year. Some of our assignments will be paper pencil, some of our assignments will be in Google Classroom. So not all assignments will be posted into Google Classroom. So that's important that parents, if you want to check grades, do not go to Google Classroom to check grades, check them on Skyward. Every assignment that is graded will be posted into Skyward, and you'll be able to see whether or not your student has turned it in. I will make comments in Skyward that lets you know that if you see next to an assignment and it says did not turn in, that I never received that assignment. And you can follow up with your student, or you are more than welcome to follow up with me via email or phone call. Speaking of email, students, make sure that you are checking your email regularly for those updated Google Classroom assignments, as well as any announcements that we make throughout class. Feel free to contact me at any time via email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I think I told most of you students that 9 o'clock is kind of my cutoff time. If I get an email after 9 o'clock, I may or may not reply to it that day. It may get replied to after the next morning. I am also the 8th grade boys, or I shouldn't say 8th grade. I'm also the junior high head boys track coach again this year. I'm going to be joined with Mr. Groom, Mr. Getz, and Miss Setterstrom as coaches for this year's track in the spring. I'm looking forward to a great year. I hope you are too. Feel free, parents, to contact me with any questions or concerns at any point. Email is probably the best way to get a hold of me. I'll be able to respond to you fairly quickly. Phone calls will probably have to wait till the end of the school day. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope your students and parents, you are too, and we will see you soon.